What is up? Today I got my helper with me and we are going to put a new handle on this shovel that we found. So we found this shovel and we kept it because we thought one day that we might need it. Well, today's that day. We have a garden, we're building a bigger garden, and we need another shovel. So I picked up this handle from the Home Depot, and today we're going to put this handle on this shovel. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to remove the broken handle out of the head of the shovel. You can see it's got a pin right here, and this new handle actually comes with a new pin. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a grinder and we're going to grind off this side, and then we'll just hammer this side out. So I'm actually going to start off by trying to use just a sanding pad, and a sanding pad will take metal off, but I don't want to go too far, so I'm just going to see if I can just take that rivet out just with this sanding pad. Well, that side did not want to come off, so I'm going to try this other side. Wow, that little pin was quite the booger to get out. So the next thing I have to do is get this piece of wood out. Pins out, get the piece of wood out. So I think I'm going to try to separate this just a little bit and see if I can get that nasty old rotten piece of wood out. Power tool time. Now, I'm going to try drilling it out. Okay, I've tried it all. I can't get the stupid thing out. I think I'm just going to have to burn it out. I don't want to do that, but I'm going to burn it out. Okay, so I put it in the fire for about 5 minutes, not very long. I really think the wood was glued on. That is why it would not come off for anything. But after it heated up, it actually came out really easy. Cleaned up a little bit with wire brush. Next thing I need to do is install the new handle. The new handle is kind of a one-size-fits-all thing, so I'm going to have to cut this down to the appropriate length. What I'm going to do is see where the shaft curves, and I'm going to start by cutting it there. And then I'll go from there, try to fit it, and see what happens. I got the head of the shovel on. It looks really nice. I got it all the way up to the factory edge that they put on here. The hardest part is going to be getting this pin in. This new handle is just a little bit bigger than the one before, and that's okay. It did separate this just a little more. I don't think that's going to mess with the integrity of the shovel at all. But this new pin is just a little bit bigger than those current holes. So I need to drill new holes to fit this pin. And then I have to line this puppy up well. I did it. I was able to get through. I did it. There it is. I did it. So I really just put the rivet, it is a rivet, against something hard. I used my 2-pound sledge, and then I took a flathead heavy hammer and hit the other side, and it did not get flat. So that's not going anywhere. I thought about bolting it because I didn't have a rivet gun or anything to pound this rivet in, but a big flat hammer did the job. Now I'm going to give it my honorary yellow paint job, and it will be done. It is complete. I found this shovel head. I bought the handle. Simple, cheap. You can do this. If I can do this fix, you can do this fix too.